Data analysis will be more efficient through proper visualizations. Hence, a tabular data, if visualized in a chart or a graph, can help with various decisions. Hello viewers, in the next set of videos, I'll be walking you through the various methodologies of visual representation using matplotlib. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on more videos on Python and data science. So matplotlib is a plotting library for Python for visual representation of data, which helps in making various decisions. To install matplotlib, I'll be going to the PyCharm IDE, select on the project and then go to Files, Settings, and in the Python interpreter, install matplotlib, select matplotlib and then click on Install Package. Now I can see that the package matplotlib is installed successfully. So close this window and here we can see that matplotlib is installed. Click on OK. Now I need to check if this matplotlib library got installed successfully or not. And for this I'll be giving a very basic print statement to check on the version of matplotlib. When I execute this code, I can see the version to be displayed there in the output window, which says that matplotlib library got successfully installed. Check out my other videos on matplotlib to know how to work with graphs, charts, and other forms of data visualization.